Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the world of the Google Pixel 9 Pro, the latest flagship from Google that promises a stunning display, a powerful camera system with a telephoto lens, and cutting-edge features, all wrapped in a sleek design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Compact design with a stunning display. The Google Pixel 9 Pro boasts a compact design with a glass front and back and an aluminum frame. It's IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, providing peace of mind against the elements. The phone comes in 4 stunning color options: porcelain, rose quartz, hazel, and obsidian. The Pixel 9 Pro features a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Unleash the power with Google Tensor G4. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor G4 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency and power. Paired with 16GB of RAM, this combination is a powerhouse for gaming, creators, and multitaskers. You can choose between 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, or even 1TB of storage, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and games. Cutting-edge camera system captures stunning moments. The Google Pixel 9 Pro boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with dual pixel PDAF, multi-zone laser UF, and OIS is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The 48MP ultra-wide sensor with dual pixel PDAF lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. A dedicated 48MP periscope telephoto lens with dual pixel PDAF and OIS offers 5x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects with impressive detail. Features like Pixel Shift, Ultra HDR, and Panorama allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 8K resolution at 30fps. On the front, a 42MP selfie camera with PDAF ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 60fps. Designed for the modern user. The Google Pixel 9 Pro offers a sleek design with a focus on usability. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with a range of AI-powered features like Google Assistant, Live Translate, and Magic Eraser. A new satellite SOS service allows users to send emergency messages even when there is no cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. The phone also includes a built-in thermometer for skin temperature measurement. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Google Pixel 9 Pro packs a 4700 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 27W wired fast charging, 21W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. A flagship powerhouse with cutting-edge features. With a starting price of around 79,999 rupees, the Google Pixel 9 Pro offers a compelling package for users looking for a flagship phone with a focus on photography, AI, and a clean Android experience. The phone boasts a range of innovative features. While it might not have the largest battery or the fastest charging speeds, the overall package is impressive. Looking for a phone with a powerful camera, a clean Android experience, and a focus on AI? The Google Pixel 9 Pro might be the perfect choice for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.